known for, right? You guys know us and come to expect, that we take performance on devices very seriously, okay? And we've always tended to deliver the best hardware on our devices. But as a young, small company, we could not be doing this without some very powerful friends and allies. Now, if you remember back to the OnePlus One, we started with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 800 series, and having the best platforms is an absolute necessity, right? Here's something you guys may actually not know. Before a new 800 series comes out, we get a chance to work with it first. And we actually have a dedicated team of engineers that work directly with Qualcomm's engineers to develop the technology before it comes to market. So today, I'm actually very honored on behalf of the OnePlus team to have a special guest here with us today to talk a little bit more about the partnership between Qualcomm and OnePlus. We're lucky enough to have today the president of Qualcomm, Mr. Cristiano Amon, here today to talk a little bit more about the partnership between Qualcomm and OnePlus.
By the way, this picture Kevin took with his smartphone. So, and it's been founded on history. The company is the of a leading Snapdragon 800 platform as the choice for its smartphones. And working with Snapdragon 845 is the ability to have a processor, a mobile processor that will deliver what OnePlus customers want. At Qualcomm, we're a company that invent breakthrough technologies that transform how the world connects, driven the evolution. The Snapdragon 845 is on the fast T-Mobile network. That actually can take Qualcomm side. Also have, the OnePlus fan, all right? We're very much on the fast T-Mobile network that actually can take advantage of the gigabit performance of Snapdragon 845. We're very proud to be here today, and we actually have some team members here on the Qualcomm side. Can I ask show of hands of the Qualcomm team? All right. We also have, the OnePlus fan base really understand technology and make us Qualcomm very happy, being a tech-savvy team. And we also have a product manager for the Snapdragon 845 here with us, John Curley. Can I ask John, please, with many of the industry partners, OnePlus team relationship will continue changes in the wireless industry like any other. It's going to
an important topic, a device next year in 5G. I think we think about it differently. For us, gaming. Gaming's a big topic this year, right? And it's a question you guys ask a lot of us. And so one of the questions is, you're going to make a gaming phone. And so I think we think about it differently. For us, what it's about is performance. And we believe if we make a device that has the best user experience and performance, that will deliver the best gaming experience. For the 6T, let me give you an example. NBA 2K. All right, season just started. Bron, the Lakers, I'm not sure, maybe we'll see. And Knicks, definitely not. But all right, here we go, all right? Frame rate over time, okay? And frame rate over 5 hours continuously, you can't have a drop if you want performance, right? That's important. And something new on the 6T we're introducing is something we're sum it up for ROM, okay? So to think about the most faster than ROM, right? So basically what we're doing is we're using RAM for ROM, okay? So to think about the most intense applications and gaming applications, that's what this is geared to, basically. So, and where we're seeing this is we're seeing similar performance across other really intensive gaming applications as well. So an example of hardware and software working together. Deliver the best user experience. For us has been charging in battery, right? And so I think for us, from a performance standpoint, we've always felt very good about our charging technology, and that doesn't change. And we believe we deliver the best user experience in terms of charging. But have some news today on battery. So on the 6T, we'll be introducing a battery that's 3,700 milliamps. And so 23% Better battery life, and you guys know when you ask us about this is something we take really seriously and we test it from a quality standpoint to make sure it delivers the performance we talk about. All right, so software, that's the other side of the performance story. And for us, we believe software matters a lot. So I'll give you a little preview of software on the 6T. Airplane mode. Just like in real life, the plane takes off, and it lands. So I'll be honest with you, the team asked me to come up with a joke for this, and I didn't come up with a good joke in time for the keynote. But it's attention to detail, right? So it's the little attention to detail within software that matters to our team. But in all seriousness, software is actually the area that I think you guys know we take really, really seriously, all right? And so for you, when we promise a fast and smooth experience, it means taking the hardware that's top, that you guys just heard about, and combining it with what we believe is the best approach in software in the industry now, okay? Software matters, software experience matters, right? And when we started, this is a weakness, right? You guys can think back to the OnePlus 2 times when we were developing the team to do this. And now we believe this is a strength, and it's shown to be a strength, and it's being recognized as a strength. Also, what matters? Failure rate. When you compare these and you look at the reports in terms of who's having failure, stability in your operating system really matters, right? I don't need to tell you guys this, right? And so we put a lot of effort into stabilizing our software system.
Over the last few months, I've ping-ponged back and forth between now the OnePlus 6, but the tilt that keeps sending me over from there 2 weeks here, 2 few months, I've ping-ponged back and there 2 weeks here, 2 weeks there, just back and forth, but lately I've landed on, and my SIM card is in right now, the OnePlus 6. But the tilt that keeps sending me over from Pixel holding their frame rates, the transitions and movements are all smoother and drop less frames. Like, I can tell that for certain with my eye just looking at it.
What we're proud of is more people realize different for the sake of being different, for solely dedicated 3 years, they've been dedicated.
2015.